Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. Today I am going to show you a different variety of ornaments where this video will be liked and seen only by ladies. I think this is more useful for ladies. So you see here ornaments. One of my friend have all these ornaments which is totally prepared by pure silver and coated with pure gold coating. You see here, these all are dollars here. This is Lakshmi dollar which is trending, which is in trend now. You can even take this dollar and put for any of your chain, which looks very awesome. So nice, no? So this is one more dollar of Lourdes Saraswati, I think. This is another dollar which have antique finishing. This is another pendant. Even this is also of antique finishing. Nowadays antique finishing is in trend now. These are the dollars. Most of us like to have antique finishing, no? So these all are antique finishing. This is another $1 or pendant. This one we can even put for our hand also, or else as a necklace. This is 2-in-1 necklace. You can even either use it for your arm or else for as a necklace. Both the ways you can use it. So nice, no? 2 birds and stones. Everyone, she gives us a guarantee also. These are the collections of one of my friend. This is superb necklace, which one I love the most, which has 5 flowers. This is almost a unique design, I feel. And this is another one trending design. When you wear for your neck, it looks awesome. You see, I am just zooming this necklace, which is on this black thread. If you want any of these collections, I'll give you the number, contact number, I mean the WhatsApp number in the description. You can even contact her. This one is also pure gold coating chain. So nice, right? And here comes beads, colorful beads, where for each and every color saree or kurta or chudi it matches. As this is of multicolor, we can put for almost all the colors, sarees or chudi, kurta, anything. And here comes one more chain. And here comes beautiful hangings here. Lovely, no? These all are also antique finishing, which are readily available right now. So nice, right? I just love this piece like anything. Awesome design, which is very useful for function wear or anything. This is one more design of hangings. And here comes another design. These all are of pure silver made ornament which is coated in pure gold, not 1 gram gold, this is of pure gold coating. If anyone wish to purchase this ornaments, you just put a WhatsApp message to the given number which I have described in the description, so that you will be knowing the cost, and all over India will be providing courier also. This is of white stone which can be used for daily use. This is cute 3-hearted studs. Even this one is also of antique finishing. This is of small girl ear studs, which is so cute. Here are the collections of some studs and earrings which you can make out here, and we have many more collections. I could upload only few of the collections here as for today. Depending upon the customers or depending upon the reviews, how I get through this for this video. Later I will be uploading few silver anklets and bracelet and all. These are the black beads chain, half chain, which is very awesome, where we can't even make out that it is of pure silver also. It looks same as gold, where it is given a gold finishing. So there will be guarantee for these ornaments also. With a pair of ear studs matching to this dollar or pendant. This is half black beads chain which comes only for your neck. This is not long chain, this is just a half chain. If you want to know the cost of this ornament, just put a message for this number given in the description. So nice, right? If you like this video, just give a message in the description. Thank you.